y'all, so I'm so excited for this kitchen makeover. So my bestie suggested that I do some black in here, and that's what I'm going with. We painted the lower half of the paneled wall black all the way down to the baseboard. Yes, I'm making a mess, but that's because we're changing out the flooring. Okay, we're going to run the same floor that we have in the living room into the kitchen. It's going to look nice. So I love this scheme. When I was in the store the other day and I found those hot pink placemats, I knew right away. Go on Amazon, find some flowers that match, and that's all you're going to need. And look how stunning this is. I literally don't need anything else, for real. The only thing I need is like some utensils on here, but outside of that, I don't need anything. I had a bouquet of flowers. I stuck that in the middle, and then I surrounded it with the pink flowers. I think those are bougainvilleas. I'm not sure anymore, but I got them from Amazon. It was like 3 in a pack for about $23. Can't beat it. It's a lot of impact. It's a powerful color, and really that is all I need. I also went to Ross and I found these mirrors, so they're going to go on either side. The curtains are from Amazon, and I do love them. We have to raise the curtain rod up so they don't puddle on the floor so much. But also, 2 things. The curtain rod has to go, but I don't want to buy another one, so I'm going to paint it. And then the other thing is, this wall is not the same size. It's not equal. It's unequal, you know? So I was kind of thinking, should I add more panels and extend the wall curtains over to the right so it looks like both sides are equal? And does it matter to y'all? Would that bother you, or is it just me? I don't know yet. So I'm going to finish painting. I have to finish painting. As you can see, I started, but I'm not finished, because that's how makeovers go, right? You don't always get to finish them in a day. And if you do, you're lucky. Yes, and I did pour myself a glass of skinny margarita. I'm going to make some dinner, and then I'm going to finish painting the lower half of the wall, and then my husband's going to do all the cut-ins and make everything look nice and neat, because I am not neat. I'm unneat. If that's a word, I'm unneat. What I am is someone that has a vision, so I know how to tell what I want things to look like. I know the storyline, but I don't execute that well. But y'all, let me tell you, I found my chairs on Wayfair. I got like 4 chairs for $100, and I think it ended up being $170. They were Wayfair's having a sale. Who knew? I happened to Google, and lo and behold, they popped up. Black velvet. They're, not fancy or anything, but they are just what I need, because the table's so large in this space. I really didn't want anything too rounded or too big or too puffy or too tufted. And these are perfect. And I saw the other reviewers. I saw how the chairs looked in their homes with their tables. And I'm pretty certain that I made the right choice. So thank you for watching today. Come back, because I'm going to share with you, the rest of the makeover and how everything looks when it's completed. I am still looking for 4 black chargers from Dollar Tree. I have not been able to find them. And I know I can spray paint, but I don't want to. I'm so over like DIY, because I've like DIY my whole life, which I love a good DIY. I just don't want to do it anymore. I want to just buy stuff ready-made, put it in place, or find something fantastic somewhere, put it in place. Anyway, I need these black chargers. I don't want to go online and order 25 of them, because I don't need that many. So hopefully I will find them, or someone I know personally will find them for me, so I can be happy, because I love the black against the hot pink. I really do. So I love these stemware. I got those from Ross about a week ago or so. The same ones were in Home Goods for $5.99, and I got these at Ross for $2.99. And so Ross is having their pink sale, where everything really isn't 49 cents, but everything is, not everything. A lot of things are discounted, especially like winter related items, but also like the houseware. So I haven't found anything yet this year, but in the past I've definitely racked up from these sales. But you kind of have to go in there every day. Okay, at least every week, to see if you find a treasure. And then the last thing we're going to do for this particular portion of the room is the back wall. We're actually going to do a wall treatment of some sort. I don't know if it's going to be a design, slat, wallpaper. I don't know, but it's going to be something. So stay tuned. As soon as I make up my mind, I'm going to show you what I decided. And I may probably film that as well. A lot of times I get in the mood to start these things and then I don't turn the camera on, and that's just how it goes. But I thank you so much for watching thus far. Come back next week and I will show you what is next. And when my chairs get in, I'm going to be so happy. But can I tell y'all, when my chandelier gets here, that's when I'm going to feel like, okay, girl. Okay, girl. You got it. You got it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.